go after what you want to do. If you want to start that business, start that business. If you want to do t-shirts, bro, do t-shirts, because I'm telling you, people may have like a whole lot of like the same thing, or selling like a whole lot of the same thing. Like, you maybe want to sell lip gloss, but everybody's selling lip gloss, but how are you gonna stand out from the next person? Hey, what it is, what's up, what's happening, but most importantly, what's popping? It is your girl Craze Fam, and I'm back with another video.
I hate this channel.
No! Now in this video, I will be talking about how I started my online business, how I started Taylor's Originals. And if you do not know what Taylor's Originals is, it is my online business. I do make handcrafted jewelry, anklets, necklaces, arm candy, men's bracelets, basically anything that you want jewelry related, I got it. And also I will be coming out with arm candy, Apple Watch bands soon, so stay tuned for that. So make sure that you follow my business page. It's gonna be right over here, so you can stay up to date on all things Taylor's Originals. But how I started my online business, I started making jewelry, I want to say like around 7, and it just started out as a hobby, and it really still is. For one of my birthdays, my mom, she had got me and my friends, because I had like a hotel party, she got us like a friendship bracelet kit, right? So we could all make friendship bracelets. And at the time, my mom, she was just thinking that, you know, something that it was just an activity, because you know, back in the day, like when I was 7, we just wanted to do arts and crafts and just swim or whatnot. And mind you, my birthday's in the summer, so we did that. And then a couple like weeks later, I'm like, I really like making bracelets. I asked my mom, hey, can we get that kit again or whatnot? So we found some old jewelry around the house that she didn't want anymore, and we cut that up. We took off the beads, and I started restringing them, just practicing and everything. And I remember one day I had restrung some like old jewelry of hers, and the lady does my hair is my aunt, and she had a booth at this beauty salon. So I would go up to the beauty salon every single time my mom would get her hair done, and I would go up there and I would promote my business. And at the time, I didn't have a business name, and I was just like, hey, like, you want to take this jewelry that I made? It was just so kitty. But at the time, I guess because people thought it was like cute, because I was like 8 or 9, something like that. But my aunt, she was like, you should come up with a name or something. And at the time, I didn't have a name, so I'm like, like, what should I call it? At first I was gonna call it something tacky. I forgot what I was even gonna call it. But overall, I ended up picking Taylor's Originals. So shout out to my aunt for picking that for me. All credits go to her. And it stuck with me ever since. And I started, you know, getting better. I started to make more jewelry on the side. But it was more so just something fun, like just something as a hobby. I never did it just for like the money, and like I would never like go on social media like, this girl making jewelry, like, let me go make this too. Like, no, it was something I always just loved, and I always feel that my jewelry is always something unique, because I handcraft it. I'm basically like the jewelry designer, so I use some, I guess, designer inspired charms, but the whole design of the bracelet, like the beading, the pattern, everything is by me. Like I also said, I make charm bangles too. But basically, yeah, that's pretty much how I got started. Oh, and I had been going to vendor fairs. If you were trying to start a business, go to vendor fairs. Honestly, that will expose you to people. And when I say you can make, especially if it's like a good vendor fair, you can make cash like this. Like my first vendor fair, I made like $400, and it was just from selling jewelry that I had. And at the time, and like now I look back on it, my jewelry was probably like mediocre compared to jewelry that I'm making now. So make sure that you find vendor fairs. I would say go on Facebook groups, like your area's vendor fairs. Also promote yourself, because you are your sole promoter. Promote yourself, get yourself out there, have your friends promote you, everything. But I really been wanting to open up my online store for a long time now, like 4+ years. And every single time I would do it, like first I started out trying to use Wix, but honestly Wix is high, and your girl wasn't making that much to afford Wix. And then I looked at GoDaddy was high, and I tried using applications like during the free trial, see like if I was gonna like it, and honestly I didn't really care too much for it, so I just quit it altogether. And then I tried using GoDaddy. No, not GoDaddy. Oh my gosh, I tried using Big Cartel. That Big Cartel, it's okay. I've seen some like a little kind of professional looking accounts from sites from Big Cartel, but it's $9.99 a month just for like the basic plan, but you only get to upload 50 products. And I know me, I would be uploading more than 50 products, and all the features that you get, you don't get as much compared to like Shopify, because Shopify, I do use Shopify for my website host. It is $29.99 a month plus my domain, which is $14, but I think that's just like an annual fee. But that comes with inventory tracking, discount on shipping labels, like you get newsletter subscriptions. You get the whole deal basically with Shopify, and it's at a much affordable cost, and you can always upgrade your plan to something like premium if you really want to. But right now I have the basic plan, especially since I'm just now starting out. But my first week I had over, I want to say 20 orders. I'm not going to say that amount because that's my business, but I had over 20 orders from you guys. So if you're watching this video and you have bought from me, thank you so much. I really do love you all my heart, and thank you for supporting me. And also, when I say be your top supporter, be your top supporter. Like, nobody's gonna support you like how you support yourself, because there's been times where I just like wanted to throw jewelry all together, like throw it away. There's been times I haven't made jewelry for like months on end, but now I'm over here running a business full, well, I want to say kind of part-time. I also work too, but I'm here with it. But also, I'm going to be doing a package unveiling today because I did order some supplies. So it's from Amazon. I don't know what that is. Oh, this is my scale. That was gonna be bigger, but I need some charms. What is all this white stuff? So y'all, I got some silver charms in here. I also got a scale because I needed a new scale. And these, I think these are some more charms, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Oh, I'm so sorry, I just shook the table. Y'all, these are so cute. These are some gummy bears I had ordered. Let me show y'all. Oh my goodness, can y'all see this? It's literally a gummy bear. That's adorable. I'm gonna show you guys some of these charms. And plus, these are not even all the charms that I ordered. I ordered some more, but I don't think they're supposed to be here tomorrow. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm trying my best to show you guys. So but I will be uploading basic bangles soon. Just, you know, like some junky like bangles that you guys can just stack on your own or whatnot. But overall, I really just wanted to shoot this video to let you guys know, and just to kind of inspire you that go after what you want to do. If you want to start that business, start that business. If you want to do t-shirts, bro, do t-shirts, because I'm telling you, people may have like a whole lot of like the same thing, or selling like a whole lot of the same thing. Like, you maybe want to sell lip gloss, but everybody's selling lip gloss. But how are you gonna stand out from the next person? So let's say your packaging is different. Like, let's say you the lip gloss dealer, so you probably selling your lip gloss in like little gram bags or something. I don't know, but be unique. Like Taylor's Originals, all my stuff is unique. All my stuff is limited editions. I do not keep restocking the same thing over and over and over and over and over again, unless it's like an anklet or whatever, or like a necklace. And I don't even really restock them. Like, there's only one of these, only one of them, and I have it because I made it for myself. But I didn't even show you guys the scale, but I need to weigh myself like when I ship it. I really been kind of estimating it lately. So, and this was $16.99 on Amazon. So shout out to Amazon for the great prices. But this is how it looks. It's my little scale. But yeah, nothing too crazy. But pretty much this was just a video. I hope this video really inspired you. I hope this video gave you a outlook on my background of my business, and I will be doing more videos about my entrepreneurship and how I run my business, and packaging videos, everything kind of like that. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you do not follow my social media already, like my personal account, make sure that you follow @CrazyForte over here, and make sure that you smash that subscribe button, and also turn your post notifications. And I know I've been really inconsistent lately because, like I said, your girl just opened up our website this past Sunday, so please bear with me. I will be at least uploading at least once a week now. So I hope this video was great. I hope you loved it. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.